We'll have the headlines and news headlines in just a few moments, but first of all, let's cross our wonderful newsroom here and get the latest on the weather from Elizabeth. Hi.
Hi there, Nick. Thanks very much. Well, if you're on your school holidays at the moment, or perhaps you've got a few days off work, then good news is the weather is staying fairly settled for the time being. We've got high pressure in charge across the UK. There will be some changes, though, as the week goes on. But for now, it's pretty glorious. Scenes like this right across the UK with plenty of sunshine on offer for all of us. It's not often you get such a clear satellite picture as this. As you can see, very little, if any, cloud across the UK. We do have some thicker cloud, courtesy of a weak weather front just edging closer to the northwest of Scotland. The breeze also freshening here. Elsewhere, we could see a few puffs of cloud developing through the afternoon across some eastern areas, but it's not going to spoil what is essentially a very pleasant day. Now, where we have that cloud and the breeze across the northwest, it'll take the temperatures back to around 10 or 11 degrees here, but elsewhere across Scotland, feeling very pleasant, around 14 degrees. A warmer day than yesterday across the likes of northeast England with highs of around 14 here. Similar values for Northern Ireland as well. And we could see up to maybe 15 degrees or so in some inland parts of England and Wales, but along the south coast here it will feel a little different to yesterday. If you were on the coast yesterday enjoying the warmth, today you may well need an extra layer because we're starting to pull in a breeze off the sea, and that will hold the temperatures back to around about 10 or 11 degrees. But it'll still be strong sunshine if you are out there. Do bear it in mind that UV levels across the UK at the moment are slightly higher than we would normally expect at this time of year. Now, overnight tonight, any cloud that has developed will be melting away. So we're looking at clear, starry skies once again for the UK. But there will be more breeze around across these western parts, and coupled with that increase in cloud, it'll hold the temperatures quite a bit above freezing here. Elsewhere, though, in these inland areas with the lighter winds and the clear skies, it'll turn very chilly. Rural spots likely to get close to, if not a degree or so below freezing. So another frost, particularly for England and Wales. Now, through tomorrow, we'll see some changes. Our weather front starts to move down across Scotland and Northern Ireland, so certainly a cloudier day here with the rain eventually arriving across those northwestern parts along with a strengthening breeze, but some more sunshine to come for much of England and Wales, and again feeling pleasantly warm if you are out in that sunshine. Now, as we move on through Thursday, our weather front will start to sink its way southwards across the UK, but it's running into that area of high pressure, so it's going to be a weakening affair. It's not likely to produce huge amounts of rain as it comes further southwards, but probably a cloudier day for many of us on Thursday. Still keeping that warmth across the far southeast. We could see highs of around 18 degrees. And then as we move into Friday and Saturday, it looks like the high pressure will reassert itself for a time. So a lot of dry weather to start off the Easter weekend, but there are signs that things could turn a little more unsettled towards the end of the Easter weekend. Bye-bye.